Hi! We are going to do something different today. Last week, I decided to impulsively subscribe to Ellen's Be Kind box. And I am actually not sure whether this is a monthly thing or quarterly. But the subscription is $50 and the delivery is quite fast. That's what's inside. Okay. Something actually fell off. So when you open it, this is the first thing that you will see. Alright. And when you open it, I think this is... I can see. You're seeing it before You're seeing it before I'm able to see it. So it says... Oh, I guess this is everything that's inside. Alright. So I have 2 months Spotify subscription, premium subscription. Yes. So it says littles. Okay. Okay, so I have whatever those are. Eye cream. What that is. Serum. Another serum. Facial oil and night serum. Okay, so it goes, everything goes in here. I like the pouch. It's I actually do not wear a lot of makeup, nor do I do a lot of stuff on my face. So this is a boxed water. Okay. I drink a lot of water. And then there's this. And this is just like a container. You can put food in that, and oh, okay, so there's a candle inside. And then I guess you can put whatever you want to put inside. Yeah. And then you get a coupon. You also get 30 days to happiness. So I guess it's a motivational something. And then I get the stainless steel straw. Different colors. A brush that you can use to clean the straw. I make my own smoothie, so this is probably something I can use. Alright, so I think of everything that I have, the book, candle holder, water, facial, whatever. Okay, so of all the things that's inside the box, I think I like Spotify Premium the best because I like music, and I wouldn't mind trying it out. I have never tried it out. I wouldn't mind trying it out. I mean, I've tried it, but the free version. I like this just because blue is my favorite color, and I do like the pouch. What's inside, I'm not so excited about it because, as I've said, I don't really use a lot of facial products. I don't even wash my face except for the water when I shower. That's it. And then I just use virgin coconut oil as a moisturizer, cleanser, everything. So it's the only product that I use. So, and I've tried other products and I'm just lazy. I like this because it's water and I like water. Initially, I don't think it is worth what I paid for. If this is $50, I don't think it's worth it. But I'll give it one more chance.